What do we have here? Our package came in, and I'm picking off the pink polish off my nails, so don't judge me. Okay, so let's see what we got, because we on our healthy journey. Let's open the box. Enjoy the benefits of hero bread with each meal of the day. 0 to 5 net carbs, 0 grams of sugar, fewer calories, 4 to 19 grams of protein, 11 to 22 grams of fiber. All right, they look like the croissant roll. That's the bread, and those are the buns. I don't have any of those. And 5 ways to save. Scan the QR code. Subscriptions, refer a friend, get 25% off and get $25. I need to refer a friend. Okay. But yeah, I'm going to save this for y'all. Right. So first we have these hero noodles. The box is big, but they just noodles, so we're going to let them slide. 32 grams of fiber, 5 grams of carbs, 0 grams of sugar, 80 calories each. So 5 net carbs per serving, and a serving size is 2 ounces dry. So yeah, resistant wheat starch, wheat protein, semolina, wheat gluten contains 2% or less of sunflower lectin. But we're going to be eating these with something. I don't know what. But I got like 3 boxes of these hero noodles. So we're going to test these out. And then I have 4 of the hero flour tortillas made with olive oil, 7 grams protein, 1 gram of carbs, 0 grams of sugar, 80 calories, and 1 tortilla is 80 calories, and it's gonna be 1 carb because you take the grams and you minus the fiber and it'll leave you with 1 gram of carbs. So yeah, you got 4 of these. Okay, and I'm gonna take 1 out because you can freeze them, I believe. So I'm gonna freeze the rest of them. And we got 4 loaves of bread made with olive oil, 5 grams of protein, 0 net carbs, 0 grams of sugar, 45 calories, 11 grams of fiber, and those are your nutritional facts on the back. So yeah, we're beginning our healthy journey, and I'm here for it. Okay. So I got 4 loaves of bread, and that's all we got. That's all we got right now, y'all. But I'm excited, and it's good because I've tried it before last time I was on keto. So yeah, y'all. Until next time. Bye.